Welcome to the best picks. The best anti-fog is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for glasses wearers, especially during these unpredictable weather changes or when wearing a face mask. Frustrated with blurry vision and constantly wiping your lenses? This video will dive deep into the world of anti-fog products, helping you find the perfect solution to keep your glasses crystal clear, no matter the conditions. We will explore various types of anti-fog solutions, from sprays and wipes to coatings and specialized lens treatments, comparing their effectiveness, longevity, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Gamer Advantage FogAway. It's frustrating when fog ruins your view. This innovative spray provides crystal clear vision, no matter the conditions. One application keeps you fog-free for up to 24 hours. Worried about damaging your lenses? Don't be. It's safe for all lens types, including those with anti-reflective coatings. It's gentle yet highly effective. This isn't your average fog spray. It's rigorously tested and trusted by professionals, providing long-lasting protection against fog from heat, cold, or humidity. First, clean your lenses and wipe them dry. Then, spray it on both sides, rub it in, and let it dry. Finally, buff gently with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. Gamer Advantage is dedicated to improving the gaming experience. We're committed to creating products that enhance your performance and well-being. Experience the difference. What we like? It provides long-lasting fog-free vision. It's safe for all lens types, even delicate ones. If you need reliable anti-fog protection for various lenses, this is the one for you. What people say? This product actually works and works well. They even work on my sunglasses and we have only had to reapply a couple times, not that the process is hard. Super simple spray, wait a few seconds, dry off gently and that's it. Works very effectively. I use it on swimming goggles. The first time I applied it, it lasted just 2 swims, because I rinsed the inside after each swim. After second application, it lasted many swims, because I protected the inside from rinsing. The product is clear when applied, does not bother my eyes when applied to goggles and does not leave any visible streaks on the lens. I spray my eyeglasses and my sunglasses after cleaning them thoroughly and I cannot believe that I experience absolutely zero fog no matter what type of mask I wear or what weather, and I think it's magic, but let's run with science and I am beyond grateful for this product. I don't care how it works, but you spray it on, you walk away, you let it dry, and if you're someone who wears eyeglasses quite often you may go a day or 2 without washing them. Number 4. Anti-Fog Lens Wipes, 60-pack. Frustrated with foggy lenses? These wipes provide a simple solution for clear vision all day long. Enjoy the convenience and clarity they offer. It keeps your lenses fog-free for more than 24 hours. No more blurry vision from condensation. They're soft and non-abrasive, safe for all types of coated lenses, including eyeglasses and sunglasses. It's streak-free cleaning, every time. Each wipe is individually wrapped for easy portability. Keep them in your pocket, purse, or bag for on-the-go use. This bulk pack contains 60 wipes, providing plenty for your daily needs. It's a cost-effective way to keep your glasses clear. Simply wipe both sides of your glasses evenly. Avoid using other cloths or wet wipes during this period to maintain the anti-fog effect. What we like? These wipes are individually packaged for ultimate convenience. They're perfect for travel or on-the-go use. If you value convenience and portability, these anti-fog wipes are your best bet. What people say? These anti-fog glass cleaners were wet and worked well. What these wipes do is convert the fog into droplets. There's just as much condensed water on your glasses when you come in from the cold. When you use these wipes, it's as if you are looking through a raindrop-covered automobile windshield. That doesn't sound like an improvement, but it is. They block fog much better than if I hadn't used them, but they do fog up a little bit after more than 15 minutes of play. I would still much prefer wearing them than not. They also work well for outside activity. Number 3. ZEISS Fog Defender System. Introducing the ZEISS Fog Defender System. It's so easy to use, and it keeps your lenses clear for hours, even with a mask on. Enjoy fog-free vision for up to 72 hours. That's 3 days of crystal clear sight. Simply spray it on both sides of your lenses and wipe with the included microfiber cloth. It's that simple. It's perfect for glasses, sunglasses, and even goggles. Keep your vision clear in any situation. Get superior anti-fog protection you can trust. Experience the ZEISS difference. With the ZEISS Fog Defender system, you'll always have a clear view of the world. Enjoy the convenience and clarity it provides. What we like. Experience fog-free vision for up to 72 hours. It's from a trusted brand known for optical excellence. If you're looking for superior, long-lasting fog protection, choose this product. What people say. The application process is simple and efficient. Before setting out on a hike, I clean my glasses and apply the spray. This small preparatory step has a significant impact. My glasses remain clear throughout the day. The longevity of the anti-fog effect is particularly impressive, as it reliably lasts until the end of the day without the need for reapplication. If you apply it correctly, you will get 100% anti-fog. I've only had it on my glasses for about 3 hours riding around on my motorcycle, but it's been zero fog. Not slightly, not sorta. But zero fogginess. For work I have to go back and forth in between a large chiller. When it's hot out, the temperature of the chiller is lowered to compensate for the heat. That makes my glasses fog up when I leave. Thankfully with this spray, my glasses don't get fogged up during the workday. It actually lasts over 2 days. Number 2. MagicFiber Anti-Fog Kit. Say goodbye to foggy glasses. This kit provides everything you need for crystal clear vision, all in one convenient package. You'll receive a 2 ounces anti-fog spray and 2 premium microfiber cloths. It's the perfect solution for keeping your glasses clean and fog-free. It's specially designed to clean and defog your glasses simultaneously, leaving zero streaks or scratches. Enjoy crystal clear vision every time. It's safe for all types of lenses and contains no ammonia. It's gentle, effective, and won't damage your protective coatings. The ultra-soft microfiber cloths are 200 times thinner than a human hair, removing oil, fingerprints, and smudges with ease. They're perfect for delicate surfaces. Simply spray it on both sides of your lenses, let it sit for 90 seconds, and gently wipe in a circular motion with the included cloth. It's quick, easy, and effective. What we like. This spray ensures a streak-free clean. It's gentle enough for all lenses and comes with microfiber cloths. If you want a complete cleaning and anti-fog solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. It's easy to apply. Literally spray it on, wait 60 seconds, and wipe it off with their rag that comes with it. It will keep the fog off. My eyes water bad in the morning and tend to fog up my glasses and sunglasses. I applied this the day I received it and it works. I have only had to use it once in the last 2 weeks. Once I got the hang of how long to let the spray sit and how thoroughly to wipe the glasses afterwards, this product worked fabulously. I used it to avoid glasses fog from my face masks. Number 1. ZEISS Fog Defender Anti-Fog Kit. Frustrated with fogged up lenses? This kit provides a simple solution for clear vision, anytime, anywhere. It's the ultimate anti-fog solution for your eyeglasses. Keep your vision clear, no matter the conditions. The kit includes everything you need for effective fog prevention. It's easy to apply and provides long-lasting protection. Enjoy clear vision for hours. It's perfect for all types of weather and activities. Simply apply it to your lenses and you're ready to go. It's that simple. From outdoor adventures to everyday use, it keeps your glasses fog-free. Experience the difference. What we like. It offers superior anti-fog protection. It's long-lasting and comes in a convenient kit. If you need top-tier fog protection and a complete solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It absolutely reduces or eliminates fog on glasses when wearing a mask. This product does what it says it will do, NO steamed over glasses. I've walked from the cold into a warm building with a mask on and there is NO steam. My glasses no longer fog, can wear a mask, walk outside on a cold day, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.